sake. No, try and pull it together yourself. Fuck's sake, Stephen. Stop it! With my fucking brush, you moron. Trying to be fucking, I don't know, He-Man. I have the power by the power of grace.
What?
Hi. Is he trying to break the table?
I think so, yeah. With his willpower. Let me just smack your head off the table, that'll break it. Why? Steve, you're gonna shit yourself in a minute. So trying to lift the table up. You weak motherfucker. You can't even lift it up.
He's not trying to. He's putting pressure on the table.